Do your meals look like this, or this? That's the reason why you can't lose weight, binge consistently, and feel like calorie deficits don't work for you. Now, I'm not speaking directly to the food sources because at least 80% of the foods that you're trying to eat throughout the day, if your goal is fat loss or building muscle or just being a healthier human, are gonna have to be whole foods. However, if they look bland as shit and taste like dog water and you feel like you're force feeding yourself just to get down quality foods, you're gonna have a problem. You see, eating healthy doesn't have to be miserable. You just need to figure out what you need to do to make your meals more flavorful. I've been at this fitness thing for a little over a decade now, and I know my way around the kitchen just enough to be dangerous and find out how to make my foods a little bit more tasty and enjoyable. You also don't have to learn any crazy culinary skills. You just have to know what to pick out at the grocery store. And those items being nothing other than seasonings, sauces, and other toppings. It's also important to note that these toppings, and especially these sauces, are zero sugar, fat-free options, and options that are much lower calories, so you can put a decent amount of it on your meals but not suffer the consequences of the extra calories. Which, as you can imagine, is also a win-win in the end because you're not only saving calories, but you're making your food tastier. So if you're somebody who is really struggling through your fat loss journey right now and you really hate the foods that you're eating, more than likely you haven't found the right sauces, toppings, or seasonings to make things delicious. Because that's how fat loss becomes easy, and that's how this really just becomes a lifestyle for you. I hope this helped, and if you want over 100 macro-friendly recipes, comment macros down below, and I'll shoot it over to you.